Why is nobody talking about the fact that Google will pay you $150 an hour? And the best part is you don't need any money or experience. Let's get into it. Okay, you're gonna go into Google and type in Skillshop. And then you're gonna click this link, then scroll down and click Google Ads. Click Google Ads Certification and you'll find these. They're all beginner friendly and this one takes 3.5 hours. And once you take that, you will be Google certified. Once you're certified, go to Upwork. Look at this guy. He is charging $240 an hour and he's earned over $100,000. This girl is charging $65 an hour and she's earned over $200,000. And this guy right here, he charges $70 an hour and he has earned over $600,000. Now, if you are ready to learn a skill that only takes 1 to 2 hours a day, and hundreds of people have already been able to quit their 9-to-5 job because they're making so much money doing this, then you can learn what I'm doing. Comment below, comment ready. It is for beginners and it only takes the tech skills of a 12-year-old. You can do this.